salary equal to maximum salary of what department? If employee salary equal to maximum salary of the what, sir? Department, then select. Understood? Then okay. Now let's see. Execute this query. So first, then now let's see. So is ending maximum? Maybe is ending maximum in 30th. Is ending maximum in 20th. Is ending maximum in what's that? 10th department. Okay. So 30th we is ending. 30th, 20th we is ending. 10th department we is ending. Okay. That's comparing employee salary with maximum salary of employee department. Understood? Okay, na? Okay. Next. Now, so then let's see. Suppose here, write a query. Write a query to display top 3 maximum salaries. Write a query to display top 3 maximum salaries. Already know one method. Top class. That is one. Okay, na? That is one method. Let's see another method. Using correlated. One method is using top class. Another method is using correlated. How? What the logic is? Logic is what's it? 5,000. Suppose 5,000. For example, 1,000, 3,000. Next one, 2,000. Next one, like this. Suppose 1,500, like this. Salaries are like this. Okay. 5,000, 3,000, 2,000. Next one, 4,000. Suppose, just example, salaries are like this. So what is the logic to get top 3 maximum? Just go to 5,000. This 5,000 is less than how many salaries? Find out, check. This 5,000 is less than how many salaries? 5,000 less than how many? 0. 5,000 is not less than any. So it is not less than any means it is first maximum. Select 5,000. It's not less than any means it is first maximum. Select 5,000. 4,000 is less than how many? 1. Less than 1. It is less than 1 means it is second maximum. Select 4,000. 3,000 less than how many? 2. Less than 2 means third maximum. Select 3,000. 2,000 less than how many? 3. Less than 3 means fourth maximum. Don't select because I'm asking top 3. 1,000 less than 4. Less than 4 means fifth maximum. Don't select 1,000. Understood? Na? So check 5,000 less than how many? 0. Select 5,000. 0. It is not less than any means it is first maximum. 4,000 less than 1. It is less than 1 means second maximum. 3,000 less than 2. Less than 2 means third maximum. 2,000 less than 3 means fourth maximum. Don't select. 1,000 less than 4 means fifth maximum. Don't select. That's all. This is the logic. Okay. So implement this logic in a query. Then, so what I'm doing is select what's it from EMP as A. What you have to display salaries. A dot salary. Salaries, no? Then next one from where 3 greater than, select what's that? Select from EMPB where what we have to compare A dot salary less than B dot salary. So what is this is count of what's that? B dot salary. This is the query to get top 3 maximum. See what I'm doing is then see this like, sir, just for understanding, see, I'm taking 2 aliases based on same table. Taking 2 aliases based on same table. One alias is A, one alias is B. One is A, one is what? B. Inner outer query A, inner query B. So EMP A. EMP what's that? B. So 5,000. Then 1000. Next one, 3000. Next one, 2000. Next one, 4000. Suppose here, what's that? 5000. Next one, 1000. Next one, 3000. Next one, 2000. Next one, 4000. That's it. Next one. That's it. So there are two. One is EMPA, one is EMPB. Sir, here not two tables. How many tables? One table only. Table is one, but A and B are referring to two. Just for understanding, I taken two. But in database, how many tables are there? One table. Suppose here, what I'm doing, what the logic is, checking the A dot salary. A dot salary. Okay, now A dot salary less than how many? Count returns how many? Count returns what? How many? A dot sal is less than how many B dot salaries? A dot sal is less than how many B dot sal? 5000 less than how many? 5000 less than how many? 5000. 5000 less than how many? 0. Count is 0. 3 greater than 0? Yes. 5000 is selected. Okay, na? 1000 is less than how many? Sorry, 4000. Let's take 4000. 4000 is less than how many? 1. Count is 1. 3 greater than 1? Yes. Next one. 3000 is less than how many? 3000. 3000 is less than how many? It is less than 5000. It is less than 4000. 2. Count is what? 2. 3 greater than 2? Yes. 3000 is okay. 2000 is less than how many? 2000 less than how many? 3. Count is 3. 3 greater than 3? No. 1000 less than how many? 4. Count is 4. 3 greater than 4? No. Understood? So that is what I'm checking. So I'm taking the salary, checking the salary is less than how many? The salary, taking the salary 5000, checking this 5000 is less than how many salaries? Count 0 means, count 0 means this 5000 is not less than any. Okay, no row satisfying this condition. Okay, let's see the execution. So this is correlated or not? Yes or no? Yes. How? Simple. You have to say like this. If it is correlated, yes. How? A dot cell. You have to say like this. A dot cell. Inner query is referring A dot cell, but A dot cell is coming from where? Outer query. A is the alias declared for outer query table. A dot cell means outer query value. Inner query is referring the outer query value. So this is correlated. If it is correlated, execution starts from what's that? Outer query. It go to the first row. What is that is? 3 greater than. It go to first row. 3 greater than. Execute the subquery from EMPB where A dot cell less than B dot cell. What is A dot cell? 5000. A dot cell is 5000. 5000 is less than how many? 5000. 5000 less than 5000. See, this is 5000. A dot cell is 5000. It is compared with all the salaries of B table. Compare with all the salaries of B table. 5000 less than 5000? No. 1000? No. 3000? No. 2000? No. 4000? No. How many rows satisfying this condition? 0. What is the count value? 0. 3 greater than 0? Yes, true. Go to the next row. This is the next row. Apply the condition. 3 greater than 1000. A dot cell is 1000. So 1000 less than B dot cell. So 1000 is compared with all the salaries of B table. 1000 less than 5000? Yes. 1000? No. 3000? Yes. 2000? Yes. 4000? Yes. How many? 4. Count is 4. What is count returns? 4. Condition what's her? False. Not selected. Next, go to the next row. 3000. Apply the condition. 3 greater than. Apply the condition. So 3000. A dot sal is 3000. 3000 is compared with all the salaries of B table. 3000 less than 5000. 3000 less than 5000. True. 1000. No. 3000. No. 2000. No. 4000. Yes. How many? Huh? 2. What is the count value? 2. Condition true. 3000 selected. Next 2000. 3 greater than what? Okay, na? 3. 3 greater than. A dot sal is 2000. 2000 less than 5000. 1000? No. 3000? Yes. 2000? No. 4000? Yes. How many? 3. 3 greater than 3? False. 4000. 4000. What? 3 greater than. How many? 1. Condition true. Like this. So condition is true for 5000. Condition true for 3000. Condition true for 4000. What is 5000, 3000, 4000? Top 3 maximum. That's it. Okay. Then now, but let me run this. Run this query. Then you see that 5000, 4000, 3000, 3000, 3000, 5000, 3000, 4000. Understood? Then okay, na? Ah, what is this is top 3, but it is showing duplicates. I don't want to see the duplicates. Then eliminate the duplicates. How to eliminate the duplicates? Listing and eliminate the duplicates in counting. Eliminate the duplicates in the output also. In counting also eliminate the duplicates. Don't count duplicate values. Count only distinct values. Then how to apply here? Distinct. Here also what's it? Distinct. See this. 5000, 4000, 3000, 3, 4, 5. Duplicates are eliminated or not? Yes. But I want to see these values in descending order. First 5, next 4, next 3. Then order by. What we have to use? Order by. Order by salary descent. Order by A dot salary. Okay, na? Descending. 5, 4, 3. That's it. What is this queries? This query is what's it? Top 3 max. Okay, na? Why I'm applying distinct? Because to remove the duplicates in counting, to remove the duplicates in output. Counting also eliminate the duplicates. Don't count duplicate values. Count only distinct values. And in output also eliminate the duplicates. That's all. So this query will return top 3 maximum. Okay. Then understood. We can also write this what's it? Top 3 salaries from EMP order by salary what's it? Descending. Top 3 maximum. 5, 4, 3. Understood na? Using top class. Simple. I want top 5 maximum. Then 5. Top 5. Simple. 5, 4, 3, 3. I don't want to see the duplicates. Eliminate the duplicates. Then apply what's it? Listing. So duplicates are eliminated. Top 5. But I don't want top 5. I want only 5th maximum. Then I want only 5th maximum. Okay, na? Only 5th maximum, 2500. Then that case you cannot use top, but you can use correlated subquery. That is the difference. Understood? And using top class, you can get top 5, top 3, okay. But you want only 5th maximum. 5th maximum salary. No. Okay, na? Top will not work. Then. So I want what's it? Display third maximum salary. Then what? Simple. What is the third maximum? What is the condition? Just you have to change the condition. That's all. What is the condition? What is the condition? Hmm? What is the condition? Hmm? Sorry, yeah, you see this. That's why This is explanation. If you see this, you should get the idea. By seeing this, you can easily find out the condition for third maximum. Okay, na? Then no. Then easily can find out what's the third maximum by seeing this. Then first maximum count is what? 0. Count 0 means first maximum. Count 1 means second maximum. Count 2 means that's all. What the condition? Okay, na? What is the condition? Then once again, what is the condition? Count to 2. Count to what's it? 2. 2 equal, not greater than. What? Count to 2. Count to 2 means what? Count to 2. Count to 0. Count to 0 means the salary is not less than any. Count to 0 means first maximum. Count to 1 means second maximum. Count to 2, third maximum. Count fifth maximum. Count 4. Count 4 means fifth maximum. Yes. That. So instead of suppose count to 2. Count to 2 means third maximum. Instead of writing 2, better write 3 minus 1. Convenient. Why? If you want third maximum, here you write 3. If you want first maximum, then instead of 3, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Count 0 means first max. You want third maximum. Instead of 1, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Count 2 means third maximum. Yes or no? Here you write 1, first maximum. Here you write 2, you'll get second maximum. Here you write 3, third maximum. If you write 5 here, then fifth maximum. That means whatever the number you write it here, that maximum you'll get. That is convenient, na? Yes or no? Whatever the number you pass. If you pass 1 year, first maximum. If you pass 2 year, second maximum. If you pass 3 year, third maximum. If you pass 5 year, fifth maximum. Understood? Then. So if you want third maximum, then write 3 minus 1. That's all. So this is the query to get third maximum. Can we do this using top class? Huh? Can we do this using top class? No. What top class gives? Top. Okay. That. List means change the condition. Okay, na? This remains same. This is same. Okay, na? So, but if you want top 3 maximum, then greater than. Greater than means top 3. Okay, na? Then 3 minus 1 means 3 minus 1 equal to means only third maximum. Yes. Then if I say greater than, then see this. List 3. List 3. List 3. 800, 1000, 1100. What is this is? List 3. Top 3 minimum. Top 3 minimum. 800, 1000, 1100. Top 3 minimum. If it is less than, then top 3 maximum. Understood? Okay. Then next. That's all. So this is top 3 plus third max. Next one. So these two examples are what's it? These two examples are what? Correlated. Okay, na? Then. Okay. Next. What is the next type in subqueries topic? Like what is the next type? Now, if anyone asks you what is the difference between non-correlated, correlated? What is the difference? First one. Non-correlated subquery is executed only once. In correlated, subquery is executed for every row. For every row. Then non-correlated execution starts from inner query. Next outer query. First inner query, next outer query. Correlated execution starts from outer query. Okay. Then next, what the next one is? Derived tables. Oh, then derived tables and what's that? CTS. Okay, first let's see derived tables. See, in all these examples, where you return the subquery, in these examples, you return subqueries, but where you return the subqueries, you return the subqueries in where class. You return subqueries in where class. Okay, where class. Okay, now then. So, but here, what is derived tables means? Subqueries in from class. Subqueries in from class are called what? Derived tables. Okay. Up to now, we written subqueries in where class. Now, if you write subqueries in from class, there is a special name to this subquery that is called derived tables. Select what? Select what's that? Columns from what? From what's that? Select statement. So what is this is? Select statement. What is this is? Subquery. Select columns from select statement. What is this is? Subquery. As if you want, declare the what's that? Alias. Next one, where condition. That is the syntax. Understood? Then select columns from select statement where condition. This is the syntax. Understood? Now, sir, here, what? Then, what is this is? Here, subquery. If you write something in brackets, that is subquery. But you are writing the subquery in what? From class. This is called derived tables. Okay, then see, actually, what should be there here? Table name. What should be there? Table name. In place of table name, you are writing subquery. In place of table name, you are writing what's that? Subquery. Okay, na? So here this subquery output acts like a what? Subquery output acts like a table. Earlier, you written subqueries like this, where column name operator select statement. Where column name operator select statement. You return subquery like this. Actually, what should be there here? Here, what should be there here? Huh? Here, actually, what should be there here? Value should be there. In place of value, you are writing subquery. The subquery output acts like a value. Yes or no? Here, what should be there? Table name. In place of table name, you are writing subquery means subquery output acts like a table. That means subquery output acts like what? Depends on where you write. You write it in where class, output acts like a value. You write it in from class, output acts like a table. Okay, then. So where you write the subquery depends on how you want to use the subquery output. You want to use the subquery output as a value in where condition, then write it in where class. You want to use the subquery output as a table, then write it in from class. Okay, then here the subquery output acts like a what? Table. Acts like a table for outer query. The subquery output acts like a table for outer query. Okay, but when we use derived tables are used in the following what's that? Scenarios. Derived tables are used in what? Following scenarios. One is to control order of what? To control the order of execution of what's that? Clauses. Then second one, to use to to join what's that? To join two query outputs, or you to use result of one operation in another operation. Like, so if these are the cases where we use what's it subqueries in from class to control the order of execution, to join two query outputs, to use result of one in another operation. So first let's see controlling what order of execution. So what is the default order of execution? Okay, what is the default? By default, SQL server execute the clauses in the following order. In following order. What is that is? First from, next one where, next group by, next having, next select, next order by. This is by default order of execution. By default, what's the order of execution? Okay, now then. So now let's see the default order of execution of the clauses. But you want to control this execution. Okay, now use what? Use what's it? Use derived table to control this order of execution. What is controlling means? What is the controlling means? This is the default order, but you want to control. Like controlling means you take where and order by, which is executed first, where, next which is executed next, order by. First it executes where class, next it executes what's it, order by. Yes or no? Then, but what is my requirement is, my requirement first I want to execute order by, next I want to execute where class, then use derived table. Understood na? First I want to execute order by, next I want to execute where class. That means before applying the where condition, I want to sort the data. First I want to sort the data. After sorting the data, I want to apply the where condition. Then use derived table. And you take where and select. You take where and select, which is executed first. Where? First where, next select. But first I want to execute select. Next I want to apply the where condition. Then use derived. So default is this. If you want to control this, then use derived table. Okay. Let's take example. Example one. One example. So suppose I'll ask display what's the ranks of the employees based on salary. Display the ranks of the employees based on salary, and highest paid should get first rank. Highest paid should get first rank. Then, so tell me how ranks of the employees based on salary, and highest paid should get first rank. Then this is the requirement. You have to write a query for this. What in SQL, any function is there to display the ranks, to find the ranks? Yes. SQL is given two functions, rank, dense rank. Yes, you know the difference. Rank and dense rank. So I'm writing a query. What is that is? Number, name, next one, salary plus what's that? I'm using what? Dense rank. Dense rank, what's that? Over. What you have to mention? Ranking based on which field? Salary. Ranking based on salary. Yes. But who should get first rank? Who should get last rank? What is asking? Highest paid should get first rank. Then what you have to say? You have to say order by salary descending. Order by salary descending means what? Highest to lowest. Highest will get first rank. Lowest will get last rank. Okay. So just give some name to this RNK from what? EMP. So this query will give each and every employee rank. This query will give each and every employee rank. Understood? So this one name, salary, rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4, rank 5, like this. Understood? So it is showing each and every employee what's that? Rank. So this is the query. So this query displays each and every employee rank. And so then the above query what displays what ranks of the employees based on what? Salary. Okay, now then displays ranks of the employees based on salary. But this query displays all the employees. But I want to display, but to display top 5 employees. I don't want to see all the employees. I want to see top 5 employees. But to display top 5 employees, what you have to do? Apply the condition. Whenever you want specific, apply the condition. So top 5 employees means top 1 employee rank is what? 1. And top 2 employee rank is what, sir? 2. And top 3 employee rank is what, sir? 3. Top 4 employee rank is what? 4. Top 5 employee rank is 5. If you want top 5 employees, select rank up to 5. Select rank up to 5. So how to apply? Where what? Rank less than or equals to 5. Up to 5 means less than or equals to 5. Select rank up to 5. But run this. Then what this gives? Error. This gives what? Error. Why? What it is saying? Invalid column name RNK. It is saying RNK is invalid. Why it is invalid? Here it is declared now. But here, what the problem is? The problem with order of execution. Why this error is? Because of order of execution. Sir, here, where you declared the alias, where you declared the alias, select. Where you are using the alias, where? Declared in select, used in where clause. But where and select, which is executed first? Where clause. Where clause is executed first. First it will execute where clause. Next it will execute select. So first it executes where clause. At the time of executing where clause, SQL server don't know what is RNK. RNK is declared in select, but select is executed after where clause. That means first you are using, after that you are declaring. That is not possible. First to declare, then use. In programming, first declare the variable, then use the variable. But here what you are doing, first you are using the alias. After that you are declaring the alias. That is not possible. First declare the alias, then use the alias. So that is why this query gives what, sir? Error. Okay, then. So the above query displays ranks of all the employees, but you want to display top 5 employees. To display top 5 employees, apply this condition. But what this gives? This gives error. What is the reason? See, what the reason is? Column alias cannot be used in what? Where clause. Because what? Where clause is executed, what's it? Before select. Cannot be used in where clause because where clause is executed before select. Okay. Then column alias cannot be used in where clause because where clause is executed before select. Then so to control this, to control this order of execution, use, or you can say to overcome this problem, to overcome this error, use what? Derived tables. Use derived table. Then how? Means, sir, here, see, first execute select, next apply the where condition. Sir, here, what happening first? Here, first where, next select. That's why it is giving error. And then you do one thing. First execute one, select, then apply the where condition. Then it will work. First declare, then use. It will work. But first you are using, after that you are declaring. That will not work. Okay. Then see which one you want to execute first. Keep it in inner query. Which one you want to execute first? Keep it in inner query. Which one you want to execute next? Keep it in outer query. Okay. Because inner query, outer query, which is executed first? Inner query. So then you must write like this. What is select star from what? Select what's that? Employee number, name, salary. Next one, what? Dense rank. Next one, over what? Order by salary. What's it? Descending as RNK from what? EMP as E. EMPNO, E name salary, dense rank over order by salary from EMP as E. Understood? Next, what's it? Where now RNK less than or equals to 5. Now it will work. Yes or no? Huh? Sir, first what is executed? This is executed first. Inner query. This is inner query. First it executes what? Inner query. This is the inner query. Inner query is executed first. This is the output. Inner query output. And this inner query output is stored in temporary table. That is E. We are executing the query, storing the output in one temporary table E. Actually, what is E is called? E is not temporary table. E is called derived table. What is E is called? Derived. Because this table E is derived from query. Query output. This table E is derived from query output. Okay. Then. So E contains how many columns? 4 columns. How many rows? 15 rows. E contains how many columns? 4 columns. How many rows? 15 rows. Okay. Then 15 rows. 4 columns and 15 rows. Yes or no? So outer query is selecting the data from E table. Outer query is not selecting the data from EMB table. Outer query is selecting the data from E table. Outer query becomes like this. Select star from E where rank less than or equals to 5. This is the outer query. Outer query executed like this. Sir, understood na? Background, outer query executed like this. First it executes inner query. So inner query output is stored in E. Next it executes outer query. Select star from E rank less than or equals to 5. Now it go to this E table. This is the E table. From E table it selects rank up to 5. Yes or no? No. Understood? So that's next. Okay. Now let's see. Then so run this. Then so let's see this here. So what this gives? This gives what's the top 5. Top 5 employees. Top 5 highest paid employees. Clear? Understood na? How we are getting top 5 highest paid employees? By using derived table and dense rank. By using derived table and dense rank. Okay. Top 5 employees. Understood? Huh? Then. So first find the ranks. Store the ranks in one temporary table. Derived table. Next from the derived table select first 5. Select rank up to 5. Okay. Then. That's it. Understood? Okay. Now, but I don't want to see all the data. Number, name. I don't want to see ranks. I want to see only salaries. Then I want to see only the salaries. Then select what's the salary. Salary. Then select salary. Then it will show only salaries. 5, 4, 3, 3, 3, 2, 9, 2, 5. Top 5. But I don't want to see the duplicates. Then apply what's the listing. Duplicates are eliminated. But after applying the distinct, then it is sorted in ascending. But I want descending. Then again, what order by salary? What's that? Descending. Order by salary descending. Yes or no? Then now descending order. What is this? Top 5. What is the difference between previous query and this query? Previous query returns what's her employee details. Top 5 employees data. But here this query will show only top 5 maximum salaries. Okay. Then so display what? Display what's it? The top 5 maximum salaries. Then previous query displays the details. Select star means select employee number, name, salaries. But here this will show only salaries. When you want salaries, you don't need employee number, names. Okay, na? Understood? That's all. So this query will show the top 5 maximum salaries. Now you know 3 methods. What are the 3 methods? Huh? What are the methods? One method using what's it? One method. Method 1. What is the method 1? Using top class. Second method. Using correlated subquery. Third one. Okay, na? Dense rank and what? Derived table. That's understood. So, but sometimes this will not work. Only what? Fifth maximum. You want only fifth maximum. Then you cannot use top class. Then you can use correlate, or you can use then this one. This one will work. You want fifth maximum salary. Then first maximum rank is what? 1. Second maximum rank is 2. Third maximum rank is 3. Fourth maximum 4. Fifth maximum 5. Rank equals to 5. If you say rank equals to 5, then you will get what? Fifth maximum. Yes or no? Yes. Now see fifth maximum. Understood? Okay. Na? So sometimes this will not work. These two will work. Okay. Clear? Okay. That's all. Next. This is one example. Then next one. Suppose let's take one example. Then sorry, yeah. See, suppose for example, this is the table. This is the table EMPNO E name. Okay. This is the table. What I want to give, I want to give what's that? I want to give what? Row number. I want to give row numbers. This 7 3 first record 1, second record 2, third record 3, fourth record 4, fifth record 5, like this. I want to give the row numbers. However, the records are there in the table in the same order. I want to give the row number. First record 1, second record 2, third record 3, like this. Then how? Huh? How to give the row numbers? There is a function. What is the function? Row number over then order by EMPNO ascending as RNO from EMP. Okay, then from EMP. Row number over RNO, EMPNO, name salary from EMP. What this query gives? Sir, here you mention employee number. Yes or no? In table also how the rows are arranged. In table also how the records are arranged. 1 second. See this. Then 1 second. Then see this. In table how the records are arranged. Hmm? In table how the rows are arranged. Employee number wise. What you have to say? Field name, not order. First field name, next order. Okay, na? Then in table how the rows are arranged. Employee number wise. In row number also I'm arranging what? In row number also I'm arranging what? You see the row number. In row number also I'm arranging employee number wise. That means table order, row number order is same or not? Yes. That means how you get the row numbers? According to the table, boss. In table, first record will get. Okay, na? Sir, here, if I say, suppose salary, then if I say salary, then how you get the row numbers? Salary wise descending. So 5,000. 5,000 gets 1. 4,000 gets 2. 3,000 gets 3, 4, 5, like this. So how it is giving the row numbers according to the salary. But I don't want like this. I want row numbers according to the table. In table, first record should get 1, second record should get 2, third record should get 3. Then tell me what is the order you have to mention. You find out in table how the rows are arranged. In table the rows are arranged what's that? Employee number wise. Here also arrange based on employee name. That means table order, this row number order is same or not? Yes. So that means in same order you'll get the row numbers. In table, first record will get 1. In table, second record will get 2. In table, third record will get 3. Like this. In table, first record will get 1. Second record will get 2. Third record will get 3. That's all. Understood that? Okay, na? So now then this query will display what's the row numbers. So this query will display each and every row number. Okay, then but what's the but this query displays all the records row numbers. But I don't want to display all the records. I want to display first to five rows. Then I want to display first to five rows from the table. Then where what row number less than or equals to 5. But this gives error. You know the reason. Yes or no? Then what is the solution? What derived? Star from select star from what? Where? From EMP. Next one as E. Where row number less than or equals to 5. So this query will show first 5 rows. Yes. Okay. Then so what is this is display what first 5 rows from EMP table. First 5 rows from EMP table. Then you see this. So it is showing first 5 rows. Okay, na? Then next. Understood? Then I want fifth row. Then fifth row. Then equal to 5. Equal to 5. I want fifth record, seventh record, 11th record. Then I want fifth record, seventh record, fifth record, 10th record, 15th record. Then row number what? In. Row number in. Then 5 comma 10 comma 15. So this gives fifth record, 10th record, 15th record. I want to give, I want fifth record to 10th record. Row number what? Between 5 and 10. Fifth record to 10th record. I want even number records. I want even number records. What you see that 5th to 10, yes or no? Fifth record 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want even number records. Mod 2 equal to 0. Then this gives even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this. I want odd number. Then 1 equal to 1. Even number. Okay, na? Percentage 2 equal to 0. Odd number. Row number percentage 2 equals to 1. Okay, then. So even number. Next what's that? Odd number. Okay, na? Then next. Okay, then. So what are these? All these are what's that? Queries based on what? Row number. Previous one. What is the previous one? Previous queries are what's that? Top 5 maximum salaries, fifth maximum salary, top 5 highest paid employees, top 5 maximum salaries, fifth maximum salary. Then if you want that one, then what you have to use two. What that is? Derived table and dense rank. But I want first 5 rows, fifth record to 10th record, even number records, odd number record. Then you have to use two. What is the two? Derived table and row number. Top 5 maximum, fifth maximum, then derived table and dense rank. First 5 rows, fifth record to 10th record like this. Then derived table and row number. Okay. Then so where row number equals to 5. Another one where row number in 5 comma 10 comma what's that? 15 or where row number between 5 and what? 10. Okay, where row number modulus 2 equal to 0. Modulus 2 equal to 0. Divide the row number with 2. Remainder is what, sir? 0. Then it is even number. Yes or no? Then okay. But I want last 3 rows. Then last 3 rows. Okay, na? I want to see last 3 rows. Then last 3 rows means what? Last 3 rows. 12th row, 13th row, 14th row. Last 3. 12, 13, 14. Yes or no? Then how? Huh? Row number what? Row number? Hmm? 12, 13, 14. Or what? Row number greater than or equals to 12. Greater than or equal to 12 means what we will get? 12, 13, 14. Greater than 12. Yes. Okay. Then you see this. Then 12, 13, 14, 15. But okay, na? Then actually, then okay. 15 rows are there now. Then what? 15 rows bars. Then what do you have to give? Greater than or equals to 13. 13, 14, 15. You'll get last three rows. Okay. Then so, but this will work only if table contains what? 15 rows. But I don't know how many rows are there in the table. Then this is okay if table of 15 rows, this condition is okay. But we don't know how many rows are there in the table. Then you have to find out what is the logic. See, 15 rows, what is the value? 15 rows, what is the value? 13. 15 rows, 13. Yes, 20 rows. Then if number of rows are 20, what is the value? 18. Row number greater than or equal to 18. Then you will get 18, 19, 20. Number of rows are 50. What is the value? 48. 48. And then find out the common logic. 15 rows, 13, 20 rows, 18, 50 rows, 48. What is the common logic? Number of rows minus 2. Number of rows minus 2. How to find number of rows? Count star. But we cannot write count star because aggregate functions are not allowed in where clause. You see this, run this. Aggregate may not appear in where clause. Then what is the solution? That is subquery. Select what? Count star minus 2 from EMP. So count star minus 2 from EMP. So first, what is executed? Huh? First what, sir? From clause, no? First from clause. From clause means this subquery is executed first. This subquery output is stored in what, sir? E. Next it comes to where clause. Then this subquery is executed first. What is the subquery output is? Subquery output is 15 minus 2, 13. 13. So this whole thing is replaced with what, sir? 13. So it go to E table, select all the rows row number greater than or equal to 13. Understood now? Then it go to the E table. From E table, it selects all the rows greater than or equal to 13. So it is, this is E table. Here it go to this row number greater than or equal to 13, 13, 14, 15. Yes or no? Okay. Then understood? Then so this will work only for table of 15 rows or any table. Huh? Any table. Table contains 50 rows, 100 rows. It will work for any table. Yes or no? So this query will return last three rows. All these queries are based on row number. Okay. So if you want top three maximum, fifth maximum, okay, na, then immediately should get derived table and dense rank. First five rows, fifth record to 10th record, even number records, odd number record. Then what? Derived table and row number. Okay. Then next. Sir, not display. I want to delete. So see 1 second. Row number less than or equals to 3. What is this query will show? What is this query will show? First three rows. First three rows from EMP table. Yes or no? But this query